If you're posting videos right now and it feels like nobody cares, low views, no subscribers, barely any comments, and every time you upload, you secretly wonder, am I wasting my time? Then this video is for you. Because I've realized something most small creators don't understand yet. Channels usually don't blow up loudly. They blow up quietly first. There are signs your channel is getting closer to growth, but almost everyone misses them because they're focused on the wrong numbers. And honestly, I think a lot of creators quit right before things were about to work. So, in this video, I want to show you 4 signs your channel might actually be growing, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. Let's get into it. Okay, first sign, your views are low, but they're becoming consistent. And I know how frustrating this feels. You spend hours editing a video just to wake up and see 37 views, or 52, or maybe 100 if you're lucky. But here's what I'm starting to realize. Consistency matters way more than random spikes, because if your videos are doing something like 40, 50, 60, 70 views, that actually means YouTube is learning who your audience is. But if your views look like 300, 9, 18, 4, then even the algorithm probably has no idea who to push your content to. And that's the part nobody talks about. A lot of creators think success starts with a viral video, but most of the time, it starts with predictable performance. That means people are clicking, people are watching, and YouTube is slowly building confidence in your content, even if the numbers still look small. This is basically the testing phase. And honestly, most people quit here because from the outside, it looks like nothing is happening. But behind the scenes, YouTube is collecting data every single upload. So if your views are low but steady, you might actually be closer than you think. Second sign, you have one video that just keeps getting views. Not viral, not exploding, but weeks later, it's still slowly moving. Still getting comments, still getting recommended. That is a huge sign. Because YouTube almost never keeps pushing dead content. If a video continues getting views after the upload date, it usually means viewers are enjoying it enough for YouTube to keep testing it. And this is something small creators misunderstand all the time. We obsess over the first 24 hours. But YouTube plays the long game. Some videos take weeks before they find the right audience. And sometimes, that one slow video becomes the reason your entire channel grows later. So if you notice this happening, don't disappear. Double down. Make more videos around that topic. Improve the packaging. Reply to comments. Show YouTube that you're active and paying attention. Because one small successful video can completely change a channel. I've seen it happen over and over again. Third sign, people start recognizing you. And honestly, this one matters more than views, because there's a huge difference between someone watching a video and someone remembering the creator. Maybe somebody comments, "Your videos feel motivating," or "I've been binge watching your channel," or even "I saw your video before." That's important, because now they're not just clicking for information anymore. They're clicking because they connect with your style, your energy, your perspective. And for faceless channels, this matters even more. Because people think faceless means personality doesn't matter, but it actually matters more. Your editing style, your pacing, your storytelling, your voice, your atmosphere. That becomes your identity. And once viewers emotionally connect to your content, they start coming back. Even if your videos aren't perfect. That's when channels stop feeling random and start feeling real. Fourth sign, and this one hit me personally. You're tired, but you still haven't quit. Because making YouTube videos consistently is mentally exhausting, especially when you're putting in real effort, and the results still feel invisible. You start questioning everything. Your ideas, your thumbnails, your titles, your future. And eventually you hit that point where uploading feels heavy. But weirdly enough, I think this is the stage right before momentum starts. Because effort usually increases before results do. Most creators don't quit because they lack talent. They quit because they get emotionally exhausted. And honestly, I get it. Sometimes it feels embarrassing telling people you do YouTube when the channel is still small. Sometimes you wonder if you're delusional for believing this could work. But if you're still showing up, still learning, still uploading even while doubting yourself, that says a lot. Because people who genuinely care about creating usually last longer than people chasing quick success. And on YouTube, lasting longer matters a lot. So, if you're seeing these signs, low but steady views, a video that keeps slowly growing, viewers starting to remember you, and exhaustion, but you still keep going, then maybe your channel isn't dying. Maybe it's just early. And I think a lot of creators are way closer than they realize. They just stop before the momentum arrives. So keep posting. Not perfectly, not confidently, just consistently. Because the only creators who truly fail on YouTube are usually the ones who quit too early. And honestly, I hope both of us make it. Thanks for watching.